right, we started talking about millimeters. Okay, how many millimeters are there
10.
in 1 centimeter?
10.
10? Okay, and when we look at a ruler, we see that there's a longer line in between centimeters.
And that longer line means that's the 5th millimeter.
5th millimeter, good. Okay.
There are 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter.
In 1 meter, good.
Yeah,
so we just started talking about it. Okay.
In 1 centimeter there are, what?
In 1 centimeter there is
100, about 10. So what was the thing that said 100? There's one.
right here. So 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is
10 millimeters.
so 1 meter
is 1,000 millimeters.
Good. Okay.
1 m is 1,000 m. 1 mm is 1,000 m.
Nope, other way around. 1,000 mm is 1,000
mm.
mm stands for
Millimeters.
M stands for
Meter.
cm stands for
Centimeters.
good. Okay. So now we're going to talk about estimating and then measuring. So do you remember when we were doing addition and subtraction
you would estimate
and we rounded
like
and then got
so
the
say we
estimated
had
answer?
2, 8, 8, 8.
Okay. Well, that
And
would
then
round to
we
what?
plussed it by. Oh, wait, no.
Okay, here,
Is
let me
it
show you your
Yeah,
problem.
we plussed it
Here.
by 2,
Callum, give me your pen.
2, 2, 2.
Okay, so this number goes to, rounds to what? Just tell me.
3, 0, 0, 0.
And this number rounds to,
2, 0, 0, 0.
so we know that our answer should be close
Close
to.
to 4,000. 5,000.
Good, okay, and if we added this, I would get
Am I supposed to
5,110, which is close to 5,000, right?
You just take 110 away.
Okay, good. So now when we're estimating the length of objects, okay, we're going to look at it and we're going to take a guess. So we're going to say, I think that this is close to 5 centimeters, which is how many millimeters?
5 centimeters. 50.
50, okay? So I'm going to do this problem, okay?
50.
50. Then we're going to take our
Ruler and measure it.
So we line up the 0, right, on the end. And I see that it is 53 millimeters.
Close.
So was my guess pretty close?
Yeah.
Yes.
You were just
So
3 off.
I've been practicing for a long time, right? So your estimations might not be as close right away, okay? But as we do this more and more, you're going to get better.
Can I try this next
Okay,
one?
yes, you may try this one.
I would say around 3.
Okay. 3 what?
3, 30.
What is mm?
30. Let's see here. 35
35
millimeters.
millimeters. Okay, write your guess. Okay, now
I
use your
take a
ruler.
ruler. Do this.
Wait, where do you start? Line up on the 0.
Hey, I want to do it the wrong side.
Okay, line up on the 0. We're measuring across this line, see?
Oh.
So you want to change your guess?
Yes. I was measuring upwards.
Oh, okay. Well, we're going to measure along the arrow.
Oh. Okay.
Okay,
Thank
so
you.
what's your guess?
20. I want to say 25.
Okay, write that down. That's a good estimate.
Near. I hope it's 25. Because then I would be like,
Mm-hmm.
that'd be pretty good.
Okay, now we start on the edge. Move it over to the edge.
Oh.
What do you see?
25.
25. High five.
Oh,
You got it
first
perfect.
Yes.
That was awesome. Okay,
Oh my
so write
gosh.
25 for the measurement.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That was
I'm
awesome.
so excited. I was like 0 off when you were 3 off.
I know, you did better than I did, huh? Okay, now let's do the octopus card. Do you know where you get an octopus card?
No.
In
I
Hong
have no
Kong.
idea what an octopus card
It gets you on the bus and the
Oh,
train.
you mean like Macau cards?
Yes, but this is for
Oh.
Hong Kong.
Okay.
Okay, so
It's to me.
so you're estimating this arrow, okay? So you're estimating from top to bottom.
Okay. So let's see. It would be like that's 53. Let's see here. There we go.
Okay.
With that and that. Not going to be 53.
Okay, what do you think it's going to be?
I want to say somewhere around 60 to 70.
Okay, so pick a number.
65 since that's the middle.
65. Okay, good estimate.
I chose the middle because
Mhm.
I don't know whether it's 60 or 70.
There you
That's
go.
why I
That's a
chose
good,
60.
that's a good choice. Okay, so now you're going to
And
use the
I'm going
ruler.
to take the ruler.
What do you see?
Oh, 55.
55.
10
Okay.
off.
Still not bad. What is 10? 10 millimeters is
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter.
I was 1 centimeter off.
There you go.
Not bad.
Not bad, right? When you're just starting estimating, that's pretty good.
The best thing
I
is
know.
if
When you
get,
got it right on.
like your first estimate ever.
Mm-hmm.
Right on.
That was really good.
Like, I'm still pretty surprised that I actually did that.
I know, that was really cool. Okay, let's do this one.
Okay.
Number 5.
Let's see, I'm going this way.
Yep, going with the arrow.
Oh wait, this is number 4.
I know, but I didn't cross out that answer, so.
Oh.
Now you already know the answer.
No, I don't really pay attention to answers when they're wrote down.
Okay, so make your guess. Estimate.
It's 109.
109 millimeters?
I'm just joking.
Okay. Oh, because that's $1.90.
I know.
Okay.
I want to say somewhere near the. I want to say somewhere to 30 to 40
Okay.
or 30 to 50.
Okay. 30 to 50?
Yeah.
That's
so
a big gap. So what number are you going to choose?
40
40. Okay, I think that's a good estimate.
because it's in the middle of both.
There you go. Okay.
Take the ruler.
Okay.
Line it up. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
What is it?
I was 2 off.
What is it?
It's 30. 38.
38. That was a good estimate. 2 off.
Wow, but not as good as this.
All right. You can't get any better than that. That was perfect.
Like the first time ever.
I know.
Straight up.
That was good. Okay, write your measurement.
What was that? 30.
38.
Oh, wrong pen. That was yours today. 38.
Good. Okay.
Hate how if you put them down too long.
I know it leaves a spot, huh?
But that's actually kind of good for periods. Like if
Yes.
you're writing cursive, you can just do.
Okay, so now we're moving on to something a little bit different.
So I love estimating.
Right now, what have we been using to measure?
A ruler.
A ruler. So now we're going to talk about a couple different ways to measure.
Like you have the weight thing that you can weigh and it gives.
That's
you a
weight though. What are we measuring? We're measuring
measurement.
length, right?
Ah, you're right.
Okay. So we've been using a ruler.
Wait, can I?
So
Can I estimate a few more things like this?
Not yet.
Estimate those two?
Not yet.
Aww.
Okay, so sit down. Do you need a brain break?
No.
Okay.
At when the recording's over, probably.
Okay, you can take one if we need one. Okay. So, with a picture frame, we would use a ruler, right? Picture frames are pretty small. We could use a ruler to measure that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If we're measuring something like the height of this desk,
We need
Okay.
tape.
a tape measure, right? It would be kind of hard to measure the height of this desk with a ruler, right?
One ruler, two rulers, three
Right? Yeah,
rulers.
you'd have to stack them on top, and that's not very accurate, is it?
No. Take this
So a
long.
tape measure would be pretty accurate.
Because they
right?
just go
Yep, exactly.
Always to 99.
Always to 99? Some can go more than that.
Yeah, like ours. Oh, we only had ones that go to 98.
Oh, okay. Inches?
Yeah.
Okay.
And centimeters went to 120 or something
Okay.
like that. Somewhere in the
Good.
hundreds.
So what if I want to measure something really long? Like a basketball court.
I have no idea what this thing is.
So this is called a trundle wheel.
What is that?
Okay? So can you imagine like a bicycle wheel
Uh-huh.
on a stick? I know that's weird. Okay? So you push it along the distance that you're going. So I would push it along the basketball court. And as I do that, it's counting, okay? And it's telling me how long the basketball court is.
So you mean
Okay.
it's like leaving stamps?
Nope, it's not leaving stamps. It's kind of, it has like its own tape measure inside of it. Okay?
Oh.
And as I'm going along, it unwinds and unwinds, but it all stays inside of it. Okay?
Ah?
And it tells me the distance that I've gone. So if I walk 2 feet, it's going to tell me I walked 2 feet. Okay. If I walked 5 meters, it's going to tell me I walked 5 meters.
Wow.
Okay?
Okay.
So a trundle wheel, we use for measuring long distances.
It's actually probably the best thing to measure stuff. Like everything, like a table.
Yeah, but we could use a tape measure to use a table, right?
But it's this thing would probably be the easiest. You just have to go.
Yeah. But it might not. Some of them only measure over a certain distance.
Oh.
So it has to be longer than a couple inches or something. Okay? So, read the problem.
Which of the following tools is suitable for measuring the thickness of a dictionary? Circle it.
What do you think? Why?
Because rulers are like, see this?
Mm-hmm.
That's why I think. Because
Okay.
you can measure the thickness and stuff.
Right, we could measure the thickness with this, right? It's not too big. That would be easy.
Yeah.
Could we use a tape measure?
Yeah.
Yeah, but not as effective, right?
No, it's.
Could we use a trundle wheel on a dictionary?
I don't
Probably
know.
not. I don't think so.
If
Okay.
it was like a gigantic dictionary,
Maybe, yeah.
like as big, if it was as fat as a biscuit,
Basketball court?
definitely
Definitely.
use that.
So I agree. I think you chose the right tool. Okay,
Estimating again.
so we're not estimating this time, actually,
Dun.
but you will estimate on your homework.
Yay!
Okay. So I want you to read the instructions.
I can't see it. Study card
Student.
case. Student card case. Jenny buy a plastic case to put her student card in. Measure the length and wideness of width of Jenny's student card and the plastic case. Can the student card fit in the plastic case? Which one's the plastic
Okay,
case?
so this is the student card,
Okay.
and this is the plastic case.
Okay.